What's cracking, YouTube? So today, I'm about to swap out these halogen headlights. They're super yellow and it's 2020. It can't be rocking like that. So I'm gonna give you guys a preview, kind of what they look like as is. So you can kind of take a look. See the yellow, but today we'll take care of that. That's HK, HID I'm gonna put in there, and we'll see how it look after. Swapped out one of the bulbs. Just kind of want to show the difference between the two, between the halogen and the HID. There's the HID. That's the halogen. That's the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the second one. You can kind of take a look at where we at the finished product, and I'll put everything back together. So I'm back. The finished product. Just knocked them both out. Put the grill back in. I'm gonna kind of show you the finished product. Start it up real quick. Bam. Everything lit up. Everything works right. Sometime tonight, I'll come back out and drop a nighttime video. Peace, I'm out.